Okay, so NVIDIA stock is still in an incredibly strong bull trend and it just looks like unstoppable. So how long will NVIDIA continue to fly like this? Is there any top signal or exhaustion pattern indicating that NVIDIA could correct from here? In this video, I will do my best to answer these questions. So let's start our complete analysis. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, so let's see what's going on NVIDIA stock over here. First and most important of all, the trend is bullish. The trend is clearly bullish. NVIDIA is doing higher highs, higher lows, trading above the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average. This EMA is pointing upwards right now, so yes, it is an incredibly strong bull trend. Do we see any top signal right now or any possible bearish reversal structure at the moment? Well, maybe. There is not that clear, but maybe. We are going to talk about that in a few minutes. First, let's keep in mind the trend is bullish. What's the problem with this trend is that NVIDIA just reached a very important and strong resistance line at 289. This is the most important key point for you, especially if you are bullish on NVIDIA. Because only by breaking 289, NVIDIA could finally be free to retest higher resistance levels. As seen on the weekly chart over here, 289 was the previous top level from March 2022. And right now, it seems it is working as a resistance level again in 2023. Multiple times to be honest. But right now, if NVIDIA breaks this resistance line, this green line over here, the next technical resistance level on the weekly chart, long-term speaking, is only the all-time high, $345. That's the next key point on NVIDIA if we actually break this green line over here. So it is very important, if you are bullish on it, it is very important to see NVIDIA breaking this green line. Is there any other problems over here? Yes, there are. For instance, right now NVIDIA is trading inside a trap zone, and I already told you guys this on our previous video, because NVIDIA is clearly found a resistance level at 289 over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 times today, while the 21 EMA is consistently acting as a support level. So this support level over here is going up because we are talking about the 21 EMA. EMAs are dynamic indicators. Moving averages are dynamic indicators. So they are going to follow the price. Since the price is going up, this 21 EMA is going to squeeze the price more and more and more as time passes, and the area between the support and the resistance, it is getting tighter as time passes. So eventually we are going to see an explosion because we gotta see a breakout. We just don't know if this breakout is going to be upwards or downwards. If NVIDIA loses its 21 EMA, maybe we are going to see a sharper correction, because in this scenario we could easily retest the 272, this black line over here, which is at the same time a possible trigger point of a double top chart pattern. If NVIDIA actually fails in breaking this green line over here, and if it loses its EMA along with the 272, we are going to see for the first time in many months a crystal clear bearish structure, a bearish reversal structure, indicating that we could potentially seek lower levels. This is especially true because when we analyze the weekly chart over here, NVIDIA is indeed a little bit stretched, right? Maybe a little bit is an underestimation of this event over here, because since January this year, NVIDIA is just flying. We have yet to retest the 21 EMA on the weekly chart over here. We see a possible top signal on the weekly chart just under this green line. So if we actually see a double top chart pattern on the daily chart over here, a sharper correction on the weekly chart is going to be very plausible and even desirable, because it is quite when we see a sharp bull trend, a sharp rally like this, Honestly speaking, personally speaking, this makes me a little bit nervous because usually when we see corrections, these corrections are very, very sharp. So we gotta pay attention to these key points. Remember to follow me on Instagram because I'm sharing very interesting stuff over there. I'm sharing my daily life here in Brazil as well. So if you are interested, follow me on Instagram. And of course, join the top 5% community. The link to my website is in the description of this video. Swing trading strategies, options, strategies, model portfolios, and much more. Take a look at my website. Now, it is quite interesting to see NVIDIA breaking this descending channel upwards on the 1-hour chart because this reinforces the bullish sentiment. So right now, as far as I'm concerned, since NVIDIA is doing a bullish structure on the 1-hour chart, we are above the MA, we are breaking this descending channel. The odds are that yes, NVIDIA is going to do an upwards breakout of this green line over here, an upwards breakout of this trap zone, right? So in this scenario, yes, NVIDIA has more chances of resuming the bullish sentiment than actually reversing and triggering a bearish structure over here. Of course, we still gotta pay attention, we still gotta keep your eyes open at these key points, and I will keep you guys updated every single day on this channel on NVIDIA, Tesla, NIO, and many other stocks. So subscribe if you are not my subscriber yet. I really appreciate your audience. Thank you very much. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.